This is Kesman 93.3 FM, a new wave of excellence in radio.
Anopa yetna se ye hwensem mienu edikan abetoja every Eugene Ahin aban kasamafo wa Jubilee House abankase mu se aban no eye nhihye se obenya arupule foforo pania ono ewo omampani Kofi Asue ya ohwehwe emu niema eboa leadership Professor Jimendua or say be sensitive. Presidential jet not a priority. Or they are two Ghana for any must say and can't buying. San Sembreway and Yambre Moye. A buying so soon say. Yakwa Koswa Bokama Yakofa Rupri private near Tria. I go pim so say M1 na. Ebasa na ye con saying. Ebio unless if for soon almost a 20-month allowance arrears. And Chebiana Motese Deputy Attorney General, so train command ra magistrate and judges also to acquire facility of allowances near Dino and so many annual. What is it this morning? Mami Shasie, FM Free, Yaw Admako Befi, former acting director of communication. Last time I buy a man Nazri Shasie, entering the ne, Mema Admako Befi, Shasie. Admako, Mami Chiwanope.
Mami Nefide, so Namin Chetty for. Na enkoso nsero nyame asomdwe mfa mo man no ma menyina fidie so na me san kire for say ye nyina mfa mpaebo ahopakire oman ho do nsiye nokuredi nyamesuro emfa ensom oman no ye mfa ntai omampani His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo one na be die kire His Excellency the Vice President Alhaji Ali Mahmoud Bawumia eni mpanifo aka ni nyina ye nyina ye fam dia Oman baby a pesi ekro no wit medu nemom si jaba ba akofo so a penifo si ba akofo redru a ebu. That's right. Utoka se mo si two heads are better than one, and in unity lies strength. Minia anopei asem di kan ya e ka ho asem no presidential jet. Professor Jiman Dua oyubi amini yi pa ena onye ni paketo anso o mai mu odi bia to nchen ba ngoma mu a wadi mu akotini ena omampani Asue kasamafo ana pani odano Eugene so say omampani yen hihye na emra minya akwan ye adwuma kakra o Parliament Committee on Defence and Interior no omampani na ntimi ensori enka se me pebjet we say ansa na beto jet bia no meaning say the Committee on Defence and Interior ka ho and finance ka ho and communication also. There are about 3 committees omon the trase na mrebia no eya na a recommendation from the military.
That's right.
Na aba na emu no nam say wa ban mu nti ne ba e be ka say wo e na wo to because at the end of it all no we are omampani no e ne bia mo betua.
Okay.
Na emu no nhyehyeye no Osha emrebia no if defense defense no e na eba namra sebadwafo no abobo no mo atrase no maka emre kakrani abrante ba ko a meni nyina na ne University of Ghana o ye menua se de menua nso ye menua on de do afato no se so mampani tu kwan no ba pe kwanto tu ye no epoduane odi ni enu nyina no obeka ho asem sanse kontompo sa abrante ye 2007 Emra no omu akoto plane. Samre na madam fo pa ba ko ye NDC MP Twumasi. No na ye sene MP. Twumasi apia sene MP.
Yeah.
Interestingly, committee anu no wo so no eho e na mesoso me wo. Ye meeting ni wie ya no mtisi abonti na NDC fo dane to president Kofo so say obi a wo ko no wo to jet. It didn't go down well with us. Etiaye. Enu abi no mo assign atena so ya mo beye. Meanwhile, Momo ba ya a bus as a yanto plane. No. Ya suspended ye no. Momo ba ya mokoto ye no. According to Martin Midu, any Professor Mills committee out ye no. Ya na abua na ne da no. Mokoto ye mudi bi to so. Oh nya atwom ba bia koduro. Fa no efa nto nchen. Minia ya odigina mu CJ Samro kuje to no awie school friend na CJ ni ade na. Wono wa ba no. Sabre no na moto na menua no nto bi o and now so mampani etu kwan a odware ewo yim menua it's about time say menua ye TSA communicators dom yemfa buom fa magana for and the bus is clear nam for me kra na STC no set to me be a toilet obi no Ghana has come a long way ya drum pempen so a ewiase aman binom no ekọ wiem yetianom yem futuro mu agro sesei menua no nka say even common bus kra na etrem no ebi toilet wo
ebi o bath
ewo Ghana heyawo plane ya menua we no obia getum sese kumase na woko ho na woko tamale na woko sunyane na woko bia woko bia alpha plane dia enkoba se jonso bedew ana pese oyo hu yi ubesi from but look at the way the twist and turn ya NDC for no fast so omoka sanse comedy unti no do nsamienu bedidi na mfie nansa ya no mfie nsie mpo comedy unti betwa nkontompo ni ade Ghana fo hu ena Ghana fo ena sese no ena Ghana fo ahokire ni ade menua sabie song yeka nyina no America mine se drew nurses no ne judges na ya may statistics amwo hunu say covid bae no oham pempenso a ede wo mo akoduru eni wiase afa na nyina wo mo krampa ye from orimpemu asie du a wo mo go sika ne ade no wo ma hodi enso mo akwankro da tina mpanimfo kan ye no dem make say oti ase eni tin da ben obi a wo kan ho asem say okuje to na sha ase say Professor Jimendua one of my role model ko nyina yitie no omoka no said this is not the time 2008 emra yesi or the saying Jubilee House no omo senior priority emra NDC winning ya President Kofo edi yewura Atamas eko eni enyire di akire bi ohwe sa no obo ntirim koram say yes prof for padipa enti politicians and wo mom di akire no minim obi adwene emra bia no they take advantage. This is not the time. I'll have expected Prof say Obeko say time we and I am phantom. In that case, issue no you deny the better and yet exhaustive because see there are plans in progress.
In process.
What you say initiated. On try na phantom so. And the president and man directive be Abeka say yato. Bampo say sampo netia. So mampani betu kwa bia na imponi security nyina ye de to abonten no. Shanansan ya menkatie for ya Professor Messi free mu emfaso be pa na obenya ade free fu no ho nanso nam so be ya president bua o man nti no hweka ye boye nansan ya yewura kwasia misa efiri mu no efunu mfaso be pa na obenya nanso nam wo de be bua Ghana okwa bi su nti no hwe state of a year de man nansan ya yewura Rollins efiri mu no binia wo abeye ne de na so furu de ode be yeden ye de be si furu be de na nkwa menem enam mmode ma no ode ababua oman ni nti no hwe ekwenye fa so ne kai boy na kufo do ya to ne din se na nakura de biba okwa ode biba onfansa pan ma ena covid nro ya hudu ani ade ahudu ekoso ewiase ahudu atingwe okoba bia na ode biba na say kwa otu ye koba koba em say close to 200 million minia 200 million odi bae te 3 million na okuje to elka no sebe so edwade obi anim se city saudi ya no eto nchen ya IMF fuoi ewom economy na ye ni ye nti no enti say this dia no omo pe just 900 million IMF for say de bama mo dia mama his excellency gitum si awiam na kadompe ya mobra eniti se mo betimi ama iskandia mo mafo o man no hwe ono mba no sia ma mo fadwuma eno ne hawa ekọ mu no ba weni de nam sika na ya hyehye ne yie ntino IMF for amfa condition bi anto so empo kroma ma ye 900 million no 1 billion unim negotiation se course so yesuma benyansafo yesuma na montenten sie nyina ya hodi aso ya kwankran ka minimi nua ye bayi no ebi a ye kura no ka de epe no keken nanso kakran ene wiase entebo kroso ewiase ya kwankoja ene wanko ECOWAS ene obeko AU ene obeko UN ene obeko other economic forums obeko all over the place eya osa uko na sesebie son party a watena bamu so odi PNDC beka ho amfia duenu nson eya wo no mra bia utu kwan there was a time when president mama yiri etimi the plane echo share a ball e buy. We have been in this country where we had a president that would to plane the call just so discover about no ko gina CNN no atwa picture no de aba. Sakufu an na koye we say yakaba yasem. Ni ti atwere mu an say pam no twa no. Pam no twa no. Mama yan tro to adwene no. Si e beto na ye. Anaso okonfa bobo ya de bekro. Senso so no won kwaso no won han. Na yen twa ntro mum. The second one crocko e kra. They also could the train na to akoda di. Baby okoye no okofa plane na nya no kwa no pani de ko hypo sa de ma no. Ni e betra o mayimu. Both NDC and MPP. It's about time so be a bit my transfer take stock. NDC has come to a level where they are predicted. In terms of political communication, they are predicted. A kontompo, a propaganda, a exaggeration, a emotional or appeal to the people. And what my team we mean Rebecca say, and a koto plane, allowance, any other. Now it's forgotten, sir. Yenya teacher for 3 years straight juma o mampani o so his excellency John Dramani Mama was made to amaka bos me miensa we dey nyasa katua o na covid so mayo but we dey covid aba o mampani gusu tua and was say 3 months e o dey say allowance mum and mai na you drew on me na mechire mu yie and nti no e ya dwenkyerɛkyerɛ I will not condemn Professor Ajimandua na mbomu no so ko nanim ka kyerɛ en say ɛko ɛno ɛsa ɛnan a eno no na wo ka no ahune pum asibre na mom sa wo ka eduru ba bia na say you create suspense eno so anhwe yi a na you are making room for people to also interpret yi na nipa wonya restrain nipa wonya polished nipa wonya mature and are well versed in communication you know na bi ono so no wakwa kika bibi na eno ankoboa ni ameka nyina ne say omanfo omampani ne di oman ne di agya no womo anu omotia womo awuo nyina mpo no si etimi bo sika pepia nkwa de yomo ho adwuma ene womo mabakuro nyina no se nu obi anso di plane etu kwan de a minia edi entro mampani ntu kwan ene na koduru o se sojafo no ade abetu dwa se technically we no wo de kokwan kese a ebe ha dwen nti womo ade abase sei o mampani emrahye badwafo ne betu ho anamon yenso betuma bobo na momo ye ntrase mo bi man kan kire se na wunya adwuma nye esanse 2012-2016 yamfo obi adwuma obi ban wafo obi adwuma eni ntini me no megeme maame a megini die se me free school buy no emu si so ka tem say ya oduane si so echa me papa ono no hwi ni o si twen. What is the difference? 4 years of NDC and John Dramani Mama, 4 years getting to 5 years of MPP and Akufo-Addo ni ono de nkane aba against the odian kosumu ni ono de adwuma ba again the one wa me anya dwuma anye ni ono de cholera baaye again ya wayi cholera free ho ni wono no yet ma celebrating because of COVID-19 against obia so na teso ankoma ni nyina anka ewuo dia he de beba
okay
enti senior Rollins Musha 1979 and now we came to bridge the gap between the rich and the poor. If you read Obadiah Samuel's book you pay 257 a ono ani book or the experience of non-conformist was it the essence of the revolution and the PNDC NDC RFIC nyina de buy no and he said they came to bridge the gap between the rich and the poor. 27 years down the line no were they able to do that? It ended in just mere rhetoric.
Somebody
me ka dia wie say e braso ye nyina mo bomu na ye nhwe e betri dia boa na na assuring people say so mampani bi ho no mo a odwene wo man no ayedie wadwene amaburu ayedie ho a I am ever ready to debate minue yemfa enyema mu apono so na manfo hu say enya besepako na habai ne entase na banyansafo or mampani will not be so reckless, so extravagant at the expense of the needs of the people. And it way no ye nyina ye nwredwene
ye nyina ho mame nko Mohammed Nasri ho na minti ono so nasema obeka
lest I forget also yes opamo hu for ato ne bema and na bia ndisi for ayenti no and na no members of parliament or MPP no so very soon no almost compile presidential obia travels bia
no more so there. Then probably it's 9 o'clock and I will give you 10 minutes and then I'll give him also 10 minutes. Let me hear you.
Yes,
we are dealing with the okay, we'll have a quick break.
Baby, you are calling them ye atenie innuendos, aspersions, or mampeni kufonia, the adina sabia, so muadia, not a cramai, bogajum. I'll come back to that. Rollins on say amamre mu no bi wu a
pull your microphone.
Amamre mu so bi wu a yenka na kira asem. Inti na I didn't want to go there. Nemo so better so justify ya. Wa Christ say you have condemned mama. Say mama will be a ono so me European. Want man can hwe. But here Rollins buy no ya wo ka ho aso ye bibia. Na allowed nsuo fa wo mo. Na o si gatem koprem. Kofo buy no. O de adwene to ho ye gata. E fa ho no fa bofunu. Ye nsuo no twae. Rollins asma wo kan no. Obekolasi business. O man hene me no nyina free kuma se me nsu nim ho. O hwe Ashanti made shoes ane ye ya kane ndem ye che Italy. Ho na begu no. Sam na ne wo ye wo Lennox, ne o Bata, ne o Bikai. Ho na begu no. Emien kayasem. When you mention that name, Emien kayasem. Ne wonti de nkabo mu ba. Saudi no to ntanya. When the culture of silence ebae. Every student of journalism and now communication be knows say Rollins and the culture of silence they buy. Say wo asam no me wa no nka bi. Between or the saying 82 to 80 or the saying 91 now it's even worse. Bi ni amian kiasem. Odi no to nkyanya. Why na begu O level, any A level advanced. Uwie ye no zinato. Wa fana nkobro chiri. Oko school of Ghana ha. And you say he came to bridge the gap between the rich and the poor. Try no say a matter kenkan. Fia no to nkyanya. State properties. How many people toye? And Nkrumah properties, about 90% of them, including John Mama, the then Minister of Communication, the ton Ghana Telecom. And Sana Kufuor be Jeffrey Malaysia for no. Amia ye amia ton more than 50 million. You are sitting here talking about that. No, as more kai and minia. The political history of Ghana, 1950 to 2013, the experience of non-conformists. Was it the essence of the revolution was to bridge the gap between the rich and the poor. Rollins money and this for no buy see a bekanya for near Sikafua, but more Timmy, more kono, you widen the gap. President Kufuor Yadai. Sir President Kufuor Mekabi. Now crown, yes, with the NDC, they came out of coup. They are despotic. Woman tea a yamamuasi. Say Tinchina for so be nakasa. Sukono say. Nani and near my cost was say, Mama, what done in who Adolf Hitler wumwa? On Pesu Biaba, Munyanko, you cranko you be on the number of Kasakasa. Entino, what they say, Atua Hoenway. Offer Kodoti no Momuni Hodom. Kodoti cried when you chair President Kufuor. You live in a glass house and you are throwing stones. Kufuor and Wonka. Gentle, you will be an Okasa will brace him into any mochi. And you are sitting here, medical Kasamo Bano. You use the poor, and then therefore we came to bridge the gap. Eko we are saying, tell me one particular thing out of 27 wasted days of PNDC and DC. Yeah, Abu Hiafo. Now, mean, so school feed now come once no. And this is one of the one manifesto. One say they were going to mobilize resources to make sure say one more TNA more masem was say provide a school feed asem na person me kama etiefo ehu de NDC for na nkasa no wo mo ekaye edifound progressively expand coverage of the school feeding program to all public basic schools in rural and needy communities. NDC manifesto 2012 page 17. The same statement NDC manifesto 2008 page 17 mo kan ho and na therefore na oka school feeding yente kumase and ya ji obi ade se don kran na lawyer onkai Mobu dia kwa na 1 year. I can tell it's a school feeding. Ekuya manu famu no mempe. And I'm one of the people am kasa. But every 1 year. 8 months. So mampani etua akakakra. As compared to momo dia na ebru 80, you know. You live in a glass house and you are throwing stones. Again, me your platform we know. I like my brother because you know yesua de nyegusu sua. The distinction between IMF, yes, mejitum a world body, yeah, yetuma. Name kwa ukoni conditions se ka hono. Mono MPP call IMF say ye call yetumi mismanage the economy. At the time wa Kufuor, what you say? Yeah, better. Excuse me. If you don't know, I will educate you on that.
Write it down.
President Kufuor, Minia. Modia call Hepika, Modia call IMF no. At the time of President Kufuor, na watiasi wa mekasa, minim ya won kasa, minim se nasiru ne de selected. President Kufuor yakono ujitum sa IMF na MPP ye ni wo conditionality biem mo na mo de akɔhye mu ye free so ne yanhyem biem mo ba na mo de nkoye asema mama kan ne say ya wi na mam na kadompe ye ni nim de betum abu mo say we lack or say policy credibility, and it was the conditions to so contrarily we no yanko ba bia o wo mo na say aman ye tuma hwe o musika yie no mo nyi wei condition bia nim enke be fa soja for etu you are sitting here lying through your teeth, forgetting say intellectuals are listening. That is the distinction. The tosu bi aminia, me person what tiase e pa kese and he say na abawe ye insensitive. At a time anamu kotam 10 million ko waste in kaso asem besi Hope City no. Ko for fake laptop we buy. Eye bas branding no. Eye confirm to ko Burkina Faso. E first ka egu ayi mu de ko Brazil ko chedi ya no. Samra no na mama manfo adwuma o. But in the face of all this grandpa no, se sample netia or mampanik Akufo-Addo because it's so sensitive no. When we no free SHS aba. Did you ever think of that? Free SHS on the journey here for MPP na journey here for one district one factory. Momo dia baako commander esichire na anwe ni sin mom feria de ye de 100 near bie and they are working. What you say? Ya say Sitol saying hospital ama president Mama Krum Bole you know a polyclinic with the 8 years omukoka na Chebinso if you want to study the political history of Ghana kwhwe minia Lord Axton me the book remember na kan time Chebinya nsuo you distort facts o dia no to nkyanya railway lines na say ya make voter register just last week me information minister kwhwe kosomo ho kwhwe Omampani Akufo-Addo ye we nyina no odwene hwe ehwe kan ending dum so Omampani Akufo-Addo oye we nyina no odwene hwe ho national identification system Omampani Akufo-Addo ya no penka wano ya chia ne ko awu wonu na de baaye mo antimi anye ni ye ni ye baaye no enne ya ye ni ye otuo card hye obotom. That is the difference enya no de ni nkontompo ye nimo odi ya no to ntanya me free northern region but I'm so happy I love northern region especially as an Ashanti Dagomba ni bia ye minua one district one dam hebiko you know it odi ano to ntia teacher training allowance nurses training allowance Omampani Akufo-Addo ni nyina achi no otua boba akudin what you say
ombo ba akubedin
omadia ebu ahiafo yanka odi akobeka sa uye we sei what me more nothing. You come and waste the time of Ghanaians. Now Koka Rollins. The one thing about Kai Rollins they say, "Oh no, na this seed of discord beto yentem. On na this seed of discord. And no nama here and that's what way. Because I could create impression and this always creates the impression so is Kenya no me. But Yankupon ekra Yesu Christo catch and say, "Ye beko so ne hia fo atena hoda." And no chese we endorse hia o. What attitude? What you say? Yemi nya betuma wie one school. Nemom yen attitude goes a long way. Cause psychologists they will come and tell you. And intin wa usubai. But and this for me bia no one busa what I say yan kika hia for trimom ntia yifo. And intin no mutwa free SHS. Na so Omampani Akufo-Addo anya hwe kra. Free SHS no kwa no eboa. Menua yan hwe eye allowance, eye judges. Any ye nurses.
I gave you 10 minutes so you have 3 minutes. Na me de koninche.
Mini how menua Should I say, saying you no Ukraine be dying. The Makadru Hano, Hunia, or no ano banas obey focus, Neja to papa, so dear minim, Mija de Mano. Minia, time I walk away say Uniano Omampani Akufo-Addo, Akofa teachers near saying, Akofa ministers may be fine. But will be any double salary, would any part 35. Now, Monama him for son of more patcho. Omampani Akufo-Addo Crawford, do one ano, ministers. Enti ye musa so akofa na busuafo no family and friends no abugina pa Omampani Akufo-Addo ni busuani asanso bo achi amene onua no oye yi nitiu wo ye Akufo-Addo nia na wo se mama nya ma ba mu kura mpo no ni nua Joyce Bauer nya ni nua no no the spokesperson na dia na chese sabi wo mo wo fori atam no uni mu anom so mo de bo MPP must we live that way eyasem o se yeka uni de oya MPP no onya MPP ni eni na case an ye ka dia Omampani Akufo-Addo ade na sansa ofa odi kire nti no ne penso ena John Mama ni Akuma Ibrahim what me be attachment and why don't you commend him for that? Why don't you commend him for that? Mini ampen so politics na kudro no ye ma no kran fanya dwuma na mo free said ya mi pentin mi din kontomponi na ada ne niema topic ade to want me anka hwe apart from so Omampani Akufo wo mfari ade odi na ni mu twifom obla wan kasa ufie ebon kon ine na case minia sasani eka ena omko kire wan book ene wan book ene wan book dia tie wo say Mama can deceive us again. Wisdom Kukubo, Communication Officer, K2 South Constituency, Ghana Web, Monday, 11 June 2008. Don't elect a corrupt and incompetent leader. Spiogabra charges NDC. Joy Newsroom, October 17, 2018. Spiogabra, Onana, or the saying, the special assistant. On the boss, do can't find Mama. Seven na Okadia, or say, Mama failed us as a result of the brainless case he surrounded himself with. Nunu Mensa. Ghana Politics News, year 28th January 2020. Okay,
thank you very much. Your time is up, Mr. Ahmed.
That's 20 allowance. One pia. On the general home. Come in here, Kane. No, I'm alternative. No, I can't send me a man some power. This big and a Juma. Also, Kassan was say, John Mama, the same John Mama, the same John Mama, the same John Mama. I say, John Mama, dear, Okabibia, TDS Figabra. I say, John Mama yesterday is the same John Mama today. Spiogabra, the 1.5 million people who rejected Mama in 2016 are still alive. Nyampesa meka edi wie ni say, mesre yenuanom nurses ene omo judges, ene judges ni nyina. Ese wo musun ayo ni sun. Pempenso a ekoduro no. Ene America, Canada no mi ade bebu okura na adwuma no, ebi ko 2 weeks. Omampani in spite of ayini nyina no, ogusu ye. Eya ho kire na aba. Yemfa ntoto se menue ya no ode a wo ye. So mo na wo so ankombe ye den. A teacher for a dear and fear me and sa was a metriam cabo.
You don't take alternative from
will keep quiet.
Will you take and I what to be that? I don't say incompetent. Also, say what catch you be so unimiye. Now all side uhuchi wa what could be sasa nipa na unimiye nese omwa on chere say na ono anka obeye no.
I said silence is golden. No say adwuma. Onu agya to so ye incompetent and one thing wants so bebe bio. It is any power when you come ne ho. As per the logic he was trying to raise no. It's condemned him. Onu agya to so incompetent. It means silence. Any judges want to say one say especially judges no. One here. So be a cantonment. If be a problem kakra mo on mampani is ever ready. At least any judges attempt. At least yen judges attempt. Yen judges yen ku but this has that record. Me di wie no. Me ni etra ka say ye Rolling Stone na ye polio. Enya de kwe. Over the years ni na say Rotary Club and a sponsor wo you know. Rolling Stone through Kufuor time. On go no he. Thank you
very much. Thank you very much. Your microphone is off.